Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. But before going into the further details, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to share my videos. And if you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. You can subscribe for a number of many other devices. Now, guys, let's move back towards our main concern, which is which type of video we are going to share today. Which type of designs are these? Then the answer to this is very simple and straightforward. They're simple, easy, different stylized patterns of embroidery, including borderline embroidery, as in embroidery motifs, neckline embroidery, floral embroidery patterns, all over embroidery patterns. Different type of stylized patterns of embroidery have been shared through our today's collection. So, intermix fabrics dresses are being shared. So you can use them for autumn dresses as well. These beautiful and exquisite patterns of hand embroidery could be equally used for the art of machine embroidery, giving the ideas more broader and higher spectrum. I hope that you are liking the ideas. If you really like them, then do make any of the one the which you like the most, and keep supporting us, keep loving us, because with your love and support we have reached at this level, and with your love and support we will continue to grow. I would recommend you to exactly use the same combination of threads for making the pattern and the same fabric color base to get more creative and more closer to reality results. So this was all for today. I hope that you have liked the ideas and designs. If you really like them, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.